Hello everyone. So today we're going to learn about MCPs and how to basically run them up on Claude. So if you don't know what MCP is, MCP, so here is your LLM, okay? So this is your LLM. So imagine this is your LLM. Okay, I know my drawing is really bad. And then you connect it with something called MCP, okay? So MCP is just like a USB port, okay? It's a USB port for LLMs. So just how you connect an accessory to your MacBook. For example, you connect a SSD, like SSD, or you connect a phone. So then what it does is that it's a USB port, okay? That's the USB-C port, and that standardizes how basically you can connect LLM with a tool. So in simple words, this is just how an MCP is. I'll take out my drawing because yeah, it looks bad, and let's start right away. First thing you need to do so we are not going to build today. I want to just show you how to use MCPs, okay, like ready-made templates. So for that you come to some smithery.ai. Okay, I really like this smithery.ai, and it's really simple. You can search for anything you want, or you can come to featured. And actually I like the featured because sometimes they can be malicious, like MCPs which can do something bad to your PC or something. That's why in the featured, in the ones which are like here, they're quite safe because they're used a lot. So yeah, that's what I'm telling you. uh, there are a lot of MCPs recent, like which have been launched recently. So you can just go around here, click on anything, then do it. So there's sequential thinking, which is just how like ChatGPT has O1, O3 mini, and right now I think also Claude has their thinking mode, but there's also MCP out there for thinking, so that the LLM can think. So if you're using some standardized model in Claude, or like in Claude, you can just put this in sequential thinking and now it can think. So what you got to do is you just got to open this up, and you got to wait for this installation part to load. So guys, I waited for this, I waited for this a bit to load. I don't know why it was loading. Then I just refreshed this up and it came. So you have npm, right? Make sure you have node.js installed for this, because we're going to use the npm command. So you just go. Okay, I'm going to open up my terminal, and I have already done this again. So I'm just going to press Y, which will restart our Claude app. But yeah, now we'll just close this off because we need a new terminal, okay? Because you guys are doing this for the first time. So you select a favorite like MCP you liked. I told you should like, it's good that you search anything in the featured, and then you put the command which they gave you in npm. Make sure you have node.js installed, I'm saying again. And then you paste this in, and then you press Y, because you need to restart the. And also there's one more requirement, that you need to go to claude.ai/download and download Claude for desktop. Then only it will work. So then you need to tell it to restart the Claude app, and you just press go Y, and it will restart the Claude app itself. Boom. Now you go here and you will see something. So you just go here, settings. Okay, it already came. So here you click and you have a hammer, right? That hammer is the MCP tool icon. So once this is here, okay, there is a web research error. Okay, I don't know why today it's saying there are errors, but actually it's not having errors. I'll show you just now. So if I go here and say think about what is model context. So context protocol, okay. So it will use the sequential thinking tool, and check this out. So you have to allow it. So it's also warning you that malicious MCP servers are could potentially trick Claude into attempting harmful actions. So again, make sure you have something in featured and allow for this chat if you want, and then only it will work. So then it will say running sequential thinking, then it will do like it will run a few thoughts and then it will give you a summary. Okay, so we'll just wait for this. Okay, so now I think it has done a lot of. Okay, based on my analysis, model context protocol appears to refer a standardized approach for managing how information is structured, processed, and maintained within AI systems, particularly large language models. So it has fully, it was thinking just like the Claude 3.7 Sonnet extended, and because extended, so if you're using free, you can't tell Claude to think because it's only a thing like for a pro plan. But if you want almost the experience, you just go and you just in your prompt you say think somewhere, and then it understands like I need to use this MCP tool, and boom, that is how you use MCPs from Smithery into Claude. And I hope you like this tutorial. I also put more tutorials on MCP about how to build one because they're really nice. As I told you, they're like a USB port for LLM to tool, and this is going to be really insane. So thank you, peace.